Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into the latest and greatest from Apple iOS 18. Whether you're a long-time iPhone user or just curious about what's new, I've got you covered with all the features, tips and tricks you need to know. First up, let's talk about customization. iOS 18 takes personalization to the next level with its dynamic home screen. Imagine being able to set up different themes for different times of the day. For instance, you can have a minimalistic Zen-like theme for the morning and a vibrant, energetic one for the evening. It's as simple as selecting your preferred themes, and iOS 18 does the rest. Now onto the new AI-driven widgets. These aren't your average static widgets. They adapt based on your usage patterns. For example, if you typically check the weather first thing in the morning, the weather widget will always be ready and waiting for you. And if you're into fitness, the activity widget will provide real-time updates on your goals. Speaking of AI, Siri has gotten a massive upgrade. Apple's virtual assistant is now smarter and more intuitive. Imagine this, you're planning a trip. Siri can now suggest packing lists, remind you of your hotel bookings, and even offer restaurant recommendations based on your preferences. It's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Privacy has always been a big deal for Apple, and iOS 18 is no exception. The new privacy dashboard gives you a clear overview of how your data is being used. You can see which apps have accessed your location, camera, microphone, and more. Plus, with the enhanced app tracking transparency, you have more control over what information you share. Another cool feature is the universal control. If you have multiple Apple devices, you're going to love this. You can seamlessly drag and drop files between your iPhone, iPad, and Mac. No more emailing files to yourself or using third-party apps, just pure seamless integration. Gamers, listen up. iOS 18 brings promotion to gaming. With support for higher refresh rates, gaming on your iPhone has never been smoother. Imagine playing your favorite games at 120 Hz. It's a game changer. Pair that with the new gaming mode, which optimizes performance and minimizes distractions, and you've got the ultimate mobile gaming experience. For photography enthusiasts, the new camera enhancements are a treat. The night mode has been improved, delivering brighter and clearer photos in low-light conditions. Plus, the new Smart HDR5 takes advantage of the latest AI algorithms to ensure every shot is picture perfect. And with the improved ProRAW capabilities, you have more control over your photos than ever before. Finally, let's talk about FaceTime. With iOS 18, FaceTime gets SharePlay, allowing you to share your screen, watch movies, or listen to music together with your friends and family. It's a fantastic way to stay connected, no matter where you are. So there you have it, folks. A comprehensive look at iOS 18, whether it's the enhanced customization, smarter Siri, improved privacy, seamless integration, or the fantastic new features for gaming and photography, iOS 18 truly has something for everyone. Upgrade today and experience the future of iOS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful. Subscribe for more tech content, and I'll see you in the next one. Pause-2.5s. And we're not done yet. Now, let's dive into some hidden gems of iOS 18 that you might not have discovered yet. First up, the new focus modes. While we've all heard about the default modes like work, personal, and sleep, did you know that you can create your own custom focus modes? Imagine having a weekend adventure mode that silences work emails and only lets through notifications from your favorite hiking apps and close friends. Setting it up is a breeze. Just head to the focus settings and tailor it to your lifestyle. Next, let's talk about the revamped Notes app. It now features Quick Notes, which allows you to jot down thoughts or ideas without even opening the app. Just swipe up from the bottom corner of your screen and a mini note window appears. Perfect for those moments of inspiration that strike out of nowhere. Now, for all you multitaskers out there, the new split view enhancements will be a game changer. You can now resize the windows with greater precision and even save your favorite app pairings. Imagine having Safari and Notes in a perfect split every time you study or research. It's efficiency at its finest. Another cool addition is the enhanced live text feature. Not only can you copy text from photos, but you can now translate text directly in the camera app. Just point your camera at a sign in a foreign language and voila, instant translation. Traveling just got a whole lot easier. For those who love to stay organized, the Reminders app has received some love too. You can now tag your reminders, making it easier to categorize and find them later. Plus, the new smart lists automatically organize your reminders based on tags, dates, and more. It's like having a personal organizer right in your phone. And lastly, let's not forget the new health app features. With the addition of trends, you can now see how your health metrics change over time. Whether it's your activity levels, sleep patterns, or even mindfulness minutes, Trends provides a detailed overview to help you stay on top of your health goals. So there you have it, some of the hidden gems in iOS 18 that you might not have known about. These features might not grab the headlines, but they definitely enhance your everyday experience. Make sure to explore them and make the most out of your iOS 18 upgrade. Thanks again for watching. And if you love discovering these hidden features, give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. See you in the next one. And we're still not done. If you thought those hidden gems were cool, wait until you see what we have in store next. Welcome to our segment on mastering iOS 18 with some advanced tips and tricks designed for power users. First up, let's talk about the new Shortcuts app enhancements. Did you know you can now automate complex tasks with even more ease? For example, you can create a shortcut to automatically send a good morning message to a group of friends, start your favorite playlist, and open the weather app, all with a single tap. The new automation triggers include time of day, arriving at a specific location, or even connecting to your car's Bluetooth. It's like having your own personal assistant right in your pocket. Next, let's dive into Safari's new features. If you're someone who loves to keep multiple tabs open, the new Tab Groups feature is a lifesaver. You can now organize your tabs into groups, making it easier to switch between different projects or interests. Imagine having a group for work-related tabs and another for your hobbies, all neatly organized and accessible with just a tap. For those who love customization, iOS 18 brings even more options to personalize your home screen. You can now use widgets of varying sizes and stack them for a cleaner look. Plus, the new app library automatically organizes your apps, making it easy to find what you need without cluttering your home screen. It's all about making your iPhone truly yours. And here's a game changer for all the photographers out there, the new ProRAW editing capabilities. If you love taking high-quality photos, you can now edit your ProRAW images directly in the Photos app with more advanced tools. Adjust the exposure, highlights and shadows with greater precision, bringing your photos to life like never before. Finally, let's not overlook the privacy enhancements in iOS 18. With the new App Privacy Report, you can see how often apps access your data, such as location, photos, camera, microphone, and contacts. It's a powerful tool to help you stay informed and in control of your privacy. So there you have it, advanced tips and tricks to help you master iOS 18 like a pro. Whether you're automating tasks, organizing your tabs, customizing your home screen, editing photos, or keeping an eye on your privacy, these features are designed to enhance your iPhone experience. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a like and share it with your fellow iOS enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome to the final segment of our ultimate guide to iOS 18. Now that we've explored hidden gems and advanced tips for power users, let's look at how you can future-proof your iOS experience. First, let's talk about the new iCloud Plus features. With iCloud Plus, you get enhanced privacy with Private Relay, which encrypts your internet traffic and keeps your browsing activity private. Plus, the new Hide. My email feature allows you to create unique, random email addresses that forward to your personal inbox, so you can keep your real email address private. Next, let's discuss the importance of regular software updates. iOS 18 introduces automatic security updates that run in the background, ensuring your device stays secure without interrupting your daily activities. Always keeping your device updated means you'll benefit from the latest features, bug fixes, and security enhancements. For those who are serious about data security, the new Digital Legacy program is a must-know. This feature allows you to designate a trusted contact who can access your data in the event of your passing. It's a thoughtful way to ensure your digital life is taken care of. Now let's dive into battery health and longevity. iOS 18 provides enhanced battery health management features, including optimized battery charging and detailed battery usage statistics. By following the recommendations in the battery health section of your settings, you can maximize your iPhone's battery lifespan and ensure it performs optimally for years to come. Finally, consider setting up family sharing if you haven't already. This feature allows you to share apps, music, and even iCloud storage with your family members. It's a great way to keep everyone connected and ensure that your loved ones also benefit from the features and security of iOS 18. So there you have it, essential steps to future-proof your iOS experience. From enhanced privacy features with iCloud Plus to maintaining your battery health and setting up family sharing, these tips will help you get the most out of your iPhone for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more comprehensive tech guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Welcome back. In this bonus segment, we're diving into the best productivity apps that are fully optimized for iOS 18. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone looking to get more organized, these apps will help you make the most of your time and stay on top of your tasks. First up, we have Notion is an all-in-one workspace that allows you to write, plan, and collaborate. With its seamless integration with iOS 18 widgets, you can quickly access your notes and tasks directly from your home screen. The new Quick Notes feature in iOS 18 makes jotting down ideas in Notion even more convenient. Next, let's talk about this powerful task manager is perfect for organizing your to-do lists and projects. With iOS 18's improved Siri shortcuts, you can now add tasks to Todoist using just your voice, making it easier than ever to stay on top of your schedule. Another must-have app is Trello. Is a fantastic tool for project management and team collaboration. The new focus mode in iOS 18 helps you minimize distractions while using Trello, allowing you to concentrate on your tasks and projects without interruption. For those who need a robust calendar app, is the way to go. Fantastical offers powerful features like natural language event creation and full integration with your existing calendar services. With iOS 18's enhanced widgets, you can now view your upcoming events and appointments at a glance, right from your home screen. Finally, we have an app that helps you stay focused and boost productivity by planting virtual trees. The longer you stay focused, the more your forest grows. With iOS 18's focus mode, you can ensure that your trees thrive by keeping distractions at bay. These productivity apps, combined with the new features in iOS 18, will help you stay organized, focused, and efficient. Give them a try and see how they can transform your daily routine. Thanks for sticking around for this bonus segment. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and guides. See you in the next video. Welcome to our final segment. In this part, we're exploring the best accessibility features that iOS 18 has to offer. Apple has always been a leader in making technology accessible to everyone, and iOS 18 takes it to a whole new level. First, let's talk about the enhanced voiceover capabilities. VoiceOver now offers even more detailed descriptions of on-screen elements, making it easier for visually impaired users to navigate their devices. With iOS 18, you can also customize gestures for specific actions, giving you more control over your device. Next, we have the new Magnifier app improvements. The Magnifier now includes more advanced zoom controls and filters to help users with low vision see their surroundings more clearly. The app can now be quickly accessed from the control center, making it more convenient than ever. For those who are hard of hearing, iOS 18 introduces live listen enhancements. With compatible hearing aids, you can now use your iPhone as a remote microphone, allowing you to hear conversations more clearly in noisy environments. The new background sounds feature also helps users focus by playing calming sounds to mask unwanted ambient noise. Another fantastic addition is the assistive touch enhancements. This feature allows users with limited mobility to perform complex gestures with a simple tap. You can now create custom actions and shortcuts, making it easier to interact with your device. Finally, let's discuss the new guided access updates. Guided access is perfect for users with attention and sensory challenges, as it allows you to limit your device to a single app and control which features are available. iOS 18 now offers even more customization options, including time limits and passcode settings, ensuring a tailored experience for each user. These accessibility features in iOS 18 are designed to make your device more inclusive and user-friendly. Whether you have a disability or just want to explore new ways to interact with your iPhone, these tools can make a significant difference in your daily life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through iOS 18. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights and guides. See you next time.